For this look, I started off with Paul Mitchell's Thicken Up Styling Liquid to add some volume. So my goal is to have big volume in this hair. So what I'm doing is blow drying against the hair growth, so basically going upwards. I applied a little bit too much of that liquid, so it kind of made it a little stiff. That's why it kind of looks like I'm tugging at it, but it wasn't too bad. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. When you are blow drying like this, it will get a little tricky and hair will start to fly everywhere, but you kind of just have to keep control of the hair, which is why you kind of see me brushing it constantly, just to keep it nice and smooth. Now that my roots are dry, I'm going to blow dry the rest of the hair, but if you notice, you can see a little bit of volume at the root. To style, I'm using the Babyliss Pro Titanium Hair Straightener. This straightener does have different heat levels starting from 300 all the way to 450, and you could just change the heat settings depending on the type of hair you have. So if you have fine hair, you probably want to start with your lowest settings, and if you have thick hair, you could start from the middle all the way to 450. Another thing about the straightener is that it has a lock, so you can close it, lock it, and it keeps it closed. That single button is your on and off button, and the double button is to change your levels, bring it up higher or lower. So for my hair, I set it at 340. I'm taking small sections like so, and I'm starting about 1 to 2 inches away from the scalp. Then I'm wrapping the hair around and slowly bringing it down. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Now you're just doing the same thing all over. It just depends on what direction you want your curl to lay on. Pintail comb on me, so I just use a makeup brush to part out my hair. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice. To comb out the curls, I'm using a wide tooth comb and I'm just basically molding it to where I want them to lay. So yeah, I'm just gonna comb until I like it. Boom! All of a sudden I have more volume. So this is simple. Basically all I did was flip my hair over, shake it a little bit, and then flip back up, and it just gave it a little bit more bounce and lift. Now I'm just playing around with my bangs. I kind of want to do like a little curl right at my forehead, so I'm just gonna try to play around with it and make it stick somehow. It seems like the bang will stick, so all I did was just apply hairspray, and that was pretty much it. So I wanted to add more volume, so I'm just randomly taking horizontal sections and just teasing them out. Now to comb out your teased hair, you want to make sure that you're very gentle. So I'm just going over the top layer just to make sure that that part is smooth and making sure that there's still some of that tease in the hair.
Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
Probably would have stayed a lot better if I had a bobby pin on hand, but I didn't. So I just tried to hairspray it until it stuck.
Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
To finish off this look is to lay down the edges, so I'm just using Paul Mitchell's Fast Form. It's like a cream gel. Then I brush my baby hairs forward using a toothbrush. You can probably use a comb for this, it will be a lot better, but I didn't have it on hand, so I'm just brushing them forward, kind of holding it a little bit, and then brushing them backwards like so.
This cut is fresh.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you're still watching this, don't mind me. I'm just being conceited now.